Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be doing curry mango just for you. To do this curry mango, I simply peel the mangoes and then I will slice the flesh away from the seed. Now this promises to be an interesting video, and this is paying homage to our Indian heritage. So guys, go ahead and hit that like button. If you are watching and you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Of course, start the conversation in the comment section and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Now guys, I've simply diced my mango slices and I move straight into the pot. In the frying pan or a saucepan, I've added a tablespoon of curry powder in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I've added to that 3/4 of a medium onion. I'm simply, guys, gonna stir this and fry it, and then add to that my mango chunks. All right, my whimsical family, I'm simply gonna stir this while it is coming to a fry, and this is basically to color and flavor my mango chunks. Now, if this is a new one for you, why won't you just leave a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts about this video? It's time for my big ups and congratulations. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Happy Emancipation Day to all of us who are celebrating freedom. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, or whatever other extra milestone you are celebrating in your life. Know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciate you. All right, family and friends, I jump right back into my mangoes. They've already fried off nicely. I'm gonna add to that some vegetable stocks, and then guys, I'm just gonna cover this down and allow my mango chunks to cook. It's time now, guys, to share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Job 1 verse 20 and 21. These verses reminds us that even when we are going through crucibles in life, we must use it as an opportunity to worship God, because anything that the devil robs us from, the God we serve will bless us and give it back unto us tenfold. Job concluded by saying, "The Lord gave and the Lord hath taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Remember, the God of the mountain is still the God in the valley. So guys, we move back straight into the pot. The mango chunks have cooked, guys. Them look good. So time now for nice up this. Guys, I'm gonna add to this some seasoning. I'm gonna add some vegetables to this, guys. I'm gonna spice it up, nice it up. And so guys, we move straight into adding our powdered seasoning. You can add whatever powdered seasoning you want of choice. It is up to you. Your dry herbs, your spices, whatever you want to add up to your thing to nicely flavor it, it is up to you. I am using black pepper. I'm using some garlic powder. I am using some allspices. Of course, see, guys, may add to this some green bell pepper, some tomatoes and some fresh onions. I'm adding a pinch of salt to this. Remember, your salt intake is up to you. And because the mango, they add a little bit of tangy taste to it, I'm gonna add to this, guys, a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add some honey, anything that will flavor your curry mango sauce. It is up to you. So see, the people, just have to cover it down and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Now guys, if you are still watching and you have not subscribed as yet, we are waiting for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Remember, turn on your post notification, so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember, hit the save button, save it to your favorite playlist. Share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Thank you so much. There it is, guys. It's another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week.